subject is pharmaceutics 2, and the chapter 2 is incompatibilities in prescription, and the subtopic, today's subtopic is physical incompatibility. We have seen in last lectures the definition of incompatibility, then the introduction part, and the method of correction of physical incompatibility. According to its definition, what is incompatibility? When two or more than two substances which is antagonistic nature, which are mixed together, it forms the undesirable product which affect the safety, efficacy and appearance of the pharmaceutical preparation. It is called as incompatibility. Then there are three types of incompatibility. The first form is physical, second is chemical, and third is therapeutic. Then you have to see the first, therapeutic incompatibility. The first term is physical incompatibility. When it occurs when two or more substances are mixed together, then there is, upon definition, physical change takes place. Therefore, it is called as physical incompatibility, and which forms the undesirable product. Then what is the reasons of physical incompatibility? The first reason is immiscibility. Example is oil and water, which are immiscible with each other. Then second is insolubility. It means inability of the material to dissolve in particular solvent. It is called as insolubility. And third is precipitation. The solvent in the material, which are when it mixed with the solution, it forms a precipitate. And fourth is liquefaction. Example of precipitation, for example, is resin. When added in the water, it is forms a precipitate, means insoluble mass. Then liquefaction. Liquefaction means change in the state. For example, camphor or menthol, which is the low melting point substances. If the temperature increases or decreases, it change the state of subdivision, that is hydrates into the water molecules. It is called as liquefaction. So these are four important reasons of physical incompatibility. Then these physical incompatibility are visible in nature, means it is seen by naked eyes. These reasons. Therefore, it's requirement of pharmacist to apply the pharmaceutical scale to remove this incompatibility and to give the product of uniform dose, and second to give the attractive appearance of the product, and third is to give the satisfactory therapeutic activity of drug to use the pharmaceutical scale. Then we see the first reason of physical incompatibility, that is immiscibility. Immiscibility is when, for example, oil and water. Then oil and water are immiscible with each other. Therefore, it is made miscible to add a sufficient emulsifying agent. The method is emulsification used to the method of correction. And if oil and water are easily miscible with each other by emulsification method. It is the method, one of the method of correction of physical incompatibility. We take one example of immiscibility. For example, RX, castor oil, which is oil in nature, 15 ml, then water up to 60 ml, and make an emulsion. This is the description in which oil and water are present. Then first, what is the problem with description? Because oil means castor oil and water are immiscible with each other. Therefore, what is the method of correction in description? Then add sufficient emulsifying agent to prepare a proper emulsion. then we have to apply the method of correction, that is emulsification. Emulsification, what is the mechanism? It lowers the interfacial tension between the two liquid mediums, that is oil and water, and make miscible with each other. Then what is the problem? Problem is immiscibility between the castor oil and water. And what is the method of correction? You have to add the proper emulsifying agent, means emulsification, to make a stable emulsion. So this is the simple example of immiscibility. Then second reason is insolubility of physical incompatibility. Insolubility means what? Inability of the material to dissolve in the particular solvent. Inability of material to dissolve in the particular solvent. It is called as insolubility. For example, many organic and inorganic compounds, solid compounds, which are insoluble in the particular solvent. There is one problem, one mechanism, that is diffusible solids and indiffusible solids. They creates the problem to insolubility. For example, indiffusible solids means what? Indiffusible solids are insoluble in water, but after shaking it does not remain diffusive from the product. For example, chalk, calamine और जिंक ऑक्साइड. यानी इसमें क्या होता है? इनडिफ्यूजिबल सॉलिड्स यानी क्या? वो वाटर में डिसॉल्व नहीं होते, मींस इनसॉल्युबल इन वाटर, बट शेक करने के बाद में भी वो डिफ्यूज नहीं होते. क्या डिफ्यूज नहीं होता? वहां से solid particles are not diffuses from the liquid medium, from the water. It sticks to the bottom and form a hard cake. Therefore, we have to apply or proper suspending agent. इसलिए क्या करना पड़ता है? ऐसे सब्सटेंस को करेक्ट करने के लिए सस्पेंडिंग एजेंट उसमें ऐड करना पड़ता है. दिस इज वन ऑफ द मेथड ऑफ करेक्शन ऑफ फिजिकल incompatibility, addition of suspending agent. So what is the role of this suspending agent? Suspending agent क्या करता है? It increases the thickness of the liquid and make the finely distributed make the particles in finely distributed position. Means uniform distribution करता है वो vehicle को, increase the thickness of the liquid. We take one example. For example, RX phenacetin 3 gram, then caffeine 1 gram, orange syrup 12 ml, and water up to 90 ml, and make a mixture. This is one example of insolubility. Then what is the problem? In this case, phenacetin is indiffusible solid. This is the problem in this issue. So indiffusible solid means what? Which is not soluble in the particular solvent. For example, solid is water, and after shaking it does not diffuse from the water. Then it creates problem. The problem is phenacetin is indiffusible precipitate. Therefore, what is the method of correction? Then we have to add a proper suspending agent, and this suspending agent increases the thickness of vehicle. And therefore, these phenacetin solid particles are properly uniform distributed in the vehicle by increasing the vehicle, means addition of the suspending agent. For example, suspending agent compound Dragon powder is the example of suspending agent. Then second example, in some cases, for example, drug like sulfur, antibiotics, which are not wet with the water, because it is insoluble. Therefore, we have to add a proper wetting agent. The example of wetting agent are saponins or polysolvents. So, what is the mechanism of this wetting agent? The wetting agents are decrease the interfacial tension between the solid and liquid interface. Means the mechanism is absorb on the surrounding and to form a thin layer. ये क्या हो जाता है, एब्जॉर्ब होता है सराउंडिंग में और थिन लेयर फॉर्म करता है, और इस वजह से क्या होगा, आपका जो भी प्रोडक्ट है वो क्या होगा, प्रॉपरली वेट होगा विद द सॉल्वेंट। इन और मैकेनिज्म क्या इसका, टू इंक्रीज द एबिलिटी टुवर्ड्स द सराउंडिंग मीडियम ऑफ द पार्टिकल्स एंड डिक्रीज द इंटरमोलिकुलर फोर्सेस बिटवीन देम। इसकी वजह से क्या होता है, वो प्रोडक्ट प्रॉपरली वेट होता है इसके साथ में, प्रॉपर सॉल्वेंट के साथ में। तो दिस इज अबाउट द फिजिकल इन compatibility. We have to see the two reasons. The first reason is immiscibility and second is the insolubility. Then in next lecture we have to see about the precipitation and liquefaction. Okay, thank you.